Hello, I'm Gabrielle Sias and I'm the Content Marketing Manager for HappyNeuron Pro. Today I'm going to be walking you through our newest exercise release. This story is full of blanks. Now, this exercise targets your verbal working memory, lexical meaning, and comprehension skills. So it's a good exercise to use for your patients that you want to work on their semantic capabilities. For this exercise, I am running it in therapist mode, which is why you see the screen. So when you get to the exercise page, you will want to click on Start. Now, the first page you are going to land on is going to be the settings page. On this page, you are going to have two options. You are going to have your basic settings and your advanced settings. Your basic settings are pre-configured options that range from 1 or easy to 9, which is our most difficult settings level. To get more insight on these levels, hover over the levels you are interested in to see what changes and where the advancement happens for each level as the user progresses. Now, if you want to further customize this exercise for your patients, you are going to want to use the advanced settings option. In the advanced settings, you have multiple areas you can customize for your patient's cognitive abilities. The first one being the number of stories, or how many sets of text you have to complete for the exercise to be marked as completed. You can do 1, 2, or 3 with this exercise. The second is the type of text. You can choose whether they are reading and replacing words in prose, theater, poetry, or other. The third is the number of attempts, so whether they can try it again if they misplace some words the first time. After that, there is the number of words that have to be replaced in each set of text. This ranges from 2 to 15. And finally is the amount of time they have to complete each set. So you can give them an unlimited amount of time or make them complete each set in less than 30 seconds. For this example, I'm just going to do 1 story, other type of text, 1 attempt, and 3 words have to be placed with unlimited time. Then click Start. The next screen is going to give you an overview of the exercise with the customizations you specified on the previous screen. And we can click Start now. To do this exercise, just click on the text you want to place at the top as you read through the text. This is where deductive reasoning can come in, because they may not know where 1 or 2 words should be placed, but they can place the other words and use a process of elimination to use their best guess. Once you are done, you need to click Continue. So next you are going to see the completed exercise. It shows which words were placed correctly in green and which words weren't placed correctly in red. Then you can click on Continue and you will see the final screen. This is what the patient will see as well when they complete the exercise. It will show the accuracy rate and the response time. This information and more will be transmitted into your patient's account and your therapist's account, so you can see how well they are doing, their accuracy rate, chart their progression on the different levels, and more. It gives you great insight on their completion rate and overall tracking their progression of this exercise and others. And you can look at this information throughout their entire time within the program, throughout their historical data. So this concludes the overview of This Story is Full of Blanks. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We hope you and your patients enjoy this exercise. Have a great day.